Hey guys, Nick here again at Fairfield Garden Center. As usual, any questions or any comments that you have, you can always email me, nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com, or you can leave them in the comments section below and I'll be able to get back to them as soon as possible. Today's video is on bacteria for your pond during the fall and going into the winter months. As we all know, beneficial bacteria is an important part of any pond's ecosystem. So not only do you do it in the spring and summer months, but you're going to also do it in the fall and the winter months. So let's get started. This is the Fairfield Garden Center brand of cold weather bacteria. One bottle will treat 32,000 gallons. And look to the back, they'll tell you exactly how to use it. 1 ounce is good per 1,000 gallons. You can use it all the way until the water drops in temperature to almost 35 degrees, as it says right there. You're going to do it every 2 weeks like you would with the regular bacteria, all the way up until probably December. Once that water temperature really drops below 35 degrees, then you're going to just stop using it altogether and let the pond do its thing. If you would like to reach us, follow us on Facebook. Just search Fairfield Garden Center. Follow us on Twitter at NJFGC. Follow us on YouTube at Fairfield Garden Center. You can also sign up for our emails at fairfieldgardencenter.com. Or if you have a question for me, my email is nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.